Today is the day we're putting up our outside pen for the chickens. We're making a pretty big one, but we're tired of them pooping in the yard, right? So we're gonna make a pretty big pen for them. So this is we kind of laid it out. There's kind of a door so you'll be able to get in the pen, in and out of it, as you can see there. We'll put a latch on that. But we kind of laid it out, and we're gonna drill some corner holes down, kind of where the stake is. And it's a pretty large pen. It's gonna be really big because we want to have it so when we get our meat chickens, they can come out as well, and we can kind of get it off. But here's the other corner. Then it's gonna go down, if you can see in relation to the barn there, this is where it's gonna go over to this corner, and then to the corner of the barn. And then I'm eventually, because the big end here is where we keep the meat chickens, I'm gonna put a door down here for them as well, and then we'll just close it off from the other chickens. So that's what we're gonna do today. And it's a beautiful day today. We're supposed to see the eclipse. We'll see if we can see it or not. But while we're making the fence 4 foot high, we got some welded wire, and these are going to be our 3 corner posts. These are 4.5 inch thick by 8 feet long. I'm going to put them down 3 feet with the old drill I have here, auger I have. And then we'll get it all up, and then we're going to do metal stakes in between, T-post.
Do you want to say anything, sweetie?
What?
Do you want to say anything?
Why? Are you taping me?
Are you gonna?
The first pull is in, everyone. Thank you.
Is it level?
Yep. I'm not cementing these in though, because we eventually are probably going to add on to the barn. And to be honest, there's really not going to be a lot of pressure against this.
Wimpy chickens.
Only chickens keeping chickens in, so it ain't really like it. We're about almost 3 foot in the ground, about 2.5 feet. So, and I'll chainsaw the top of these off.
Hello!
Perfect.
All right.
Hello.
Oh, it's a dot.
Level.
That's your job.
You can set that in the center of the hole, just that way too. Make sure it's in the center though. Slowly.
Good boy, Reagan.
Yeah. Slowly.
Hi, Bub.
It's all under the dirt.
What you eating? What? Those don't look like animal crackers. They look like goldfish crackers. Don't spill them. Come on, Maddie, fill it up with dirt. Push it in the hole. Push the dirt in.
Okay, corner posts are in. And not quite 3 feet down, about 2.5. And then I'll chainsaw the tops off, but there we go. Now we'll tie up a string around them and put in our metal posts and get our fencing up. I need stakes, Maddie. I need one more. Where's another one? I need one more. All right, getting the stakes in. You can see down there. Hi, there's my helpers. And we got one and the other side over there done. Now we're gonna come down here, put 3 down here, and then 2 over to the barn. So, coming along. I am whooped.
Hot.
And hot. It is hot out, man. Woo! Figures the one day of summer we finally get heat is today. But
That is solar eclipse.
we got the hard part done. Stakes are in. That was rough. If you're ever gonna do T-posts, highly recommend the T-post pounder, which I did not have. Sledgehammer, not fun, especially in some hard ground. So this is the area, if you can see that, all ready. Now it kind of comes the easy part. All we gotta do is unwind the fence, and then we will let them loose. But I'm excited to finally have them penned up. I'm just tired of having people over and there's always poop in the yard and things like that. So we are ready for fencing. Well, we're almost done. We got all the fencing up and we just got the door latch put on. You ready? Open it up, Maddie girl.
For sure.
And that's so we can go in. And Abby Doodah's painting the door where they come out and the steps. Well, let's take a look at the fencing in here. So we used about 100. We used one full 100-foot roll, and then I would say about another 35 feet plus. Right here is where it connected, and went all the way over to here, then over to the barn. So this is their whole area, huh, Mad? What you eating there, bub? You got your Umbros on, your Umbro shorts. All right, so that was a hard work. I'm whooped, and it didn't help that it was so hot. So there is the outdoor pen, and I'm gonna cut these off with the chainsaw, probably right about there. Take off a good couple feet, and but I'm very happy with how it turned out so far. We're gonna paint this, then we're gonna go out and eat lunch, let it dry, and then let the chickens out. I'll do a video of them coming out, see what they think. They're used to roaming free, so there'll be a little bit of pen, but we have quite a big pen here for them, so we didn't skimp out very much. They got a pretty large area here. All right, let them loose. Let's see if they like their new pen. Moment of truth. Come on, guys. Wow, they must be like starving or something. They come running out usually.
You go bribe them?
Yeah, throw some feed out there. Here they come. Had to bribe them with some food. That's really weird. They usually come running out of there. That's one of the rare times I've ever, only like when it's cold or snowy. Come on, where are the rest of them at? All right. Well, we'll see how they like their new pen. I know I'll like it better with them not roaming around the yard all the time. Laying eggs. Just cleaned out the whole barn and the coops and got our little cage here ready for some chicks we got coming this week. We'll do a video on that too. But let's finish up the outdoor pen is done, and I am so relieved. That was a lot of work. I am whooped. The heat didn't help either, but it was a hot day. So it's gonna be nice just leaving them out here and they can come and go as they please. And what do you think? Let's go look at the back side of the pen. There it is. So they have this whole side area here, and actually what we're going to do is, I think I already might have put this in the video, but this back here is all for meat chickens, and I'm going to cut a hole there for them to come out, and they'll be able to get out and roam around a little bit as well. But you whooped?
Sweaty.
I am beat. Talking beat. That was a long day. What time is it? 4?
I don't know.
It's 4 or 5, and we started at about 9, 9:30. So, but you know what? Very rewarding when you're done. You feel good and you got a good task done. So
Project off the list.
there we go. Check it off the list. The pen is done. God bless. And take care.